So you want to grow your TikTok following. Now, like any social media strategy, the first 100, the first 500, the first 1,000 are the hardest to actually get people to see you. But don't be in despair, because I'm going to show you why you should be using TikTok and a few strategies on how to get to your first 1,000, because when you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can go live. But let's have the intro and then I'll come back to you. Big shout out to TikTok. It is my most favorite platform ever. I've been doing social media since the dark ages of 2005, and I can honestly say that TikTok is where it's at. It's where it's at for a number of reasons. First off, it is not like any other platform that we've seen, similar but not the same. We can actually share our posts out into other social media platforms without getting demoted or demerited for that. It's so fun and so educational, entertaining, and just authentic. So for me, I spend hours upon hours upon hours scrolling on TikTok, 4, 5, 6 hours, which I've not done on a social media site for at least 8 years, which says something. Hello and welcome. My name's Leanne Peard, and I'm going to show you today how to grow your first 1,000 followers. So for those of you that haven't seen me before, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, do whatever you need to do, leave me a comment with your TikTok channel, and I will definitely come over and follow you. But what's this TikTok all about? Look, there's 1 billion followers on TikTok, and people are getting exposure to millions and billions of people just like that. So let's look at a strategy to actually grow your following. First off, you need to know who you're talking to, but don't get hung up on that. So most of my clients always struggle with their target market. Yes, you need to know who you're talking to, but don't get stuck on mothers 25 to 30 with 2 kids working downtown, Melbourne, 25 hours a week, whatever, eats Vegemite sandwiches for afternoon tea. Who cares? Anyways, you need to know who you're talking to, but don't get stuck on that when using TikTok. For me, my first video that went viral was a random on holiday video of turtles, and I didn't have my glasses on. I couldn't even see what the music track, I didn't even listen to the music track that I attached to it, and bam, within moments the video had reached over 50,000 views. So you just don't know what's going on with the algorithm. Well, I don't. Do you? If you know, let me know. Anyways, there's not a lot of people that do know what's going on with the algorithm on TikTok, so it's a little bit of trial and error. Yes, you need to have a strategy. You could just post stuff willy-nilly and it'd probably work for you anyway, thinking about it, but it doesn't matter. I'm here to show you how to use a strategy. So the first thing is have an idea of who you're talking to, and then have an idea of what type of content you are going to create. Slow down. So the content for me on my channel is about tools, tips, and strategies on social media, but that doesn't mean I don't go out and try and do some dance moves. It doesn't mean that I don't try to lip sync. It doesn't mean that I don't have fun on my channel, because my channel for TikTok is all about me being authentic, real, and actually sharing the sweet, the nice, and the ugly with you. So when we're looking at creating content, make sure that you always use the 3 E's that I've been saying for the last 15 years, and that's being educational, entertaining, and emotive. And then make sure that you are real. Show the real you. Social media is about being you on social, okay? None of this pre-set up perfect stuff, okay? So know who your target market is, know who your content or what content you're going to create. Mix it up, have some fun. That's what TikTok's all about. And then more importantly is be consistent. I know personally, and I only have a small channel, I'm not one of those ones that have 50 million views and followers yet. However, you need to be consistent. You need to do at least 2 to 3 videos a day if you can manage that. If you can do more, that's even great. Mix it up with what's trending, your educational, your authenticity, what's happening behind the scenes. Be careful if you're sharing your kids though. TikTok doesn't like children, especially on live video. If you have a live video and it is showing children, it will be shadow banned. But have some fun. and just get yourself some equipment that costs $20 from Kmart. The one that's in the back here, over here, that stand, $12 I think I paid for that from Kmart. And then there's another little light lamp here somewhere, who knows where, that you can attach to it so your lighting is good. So guys, have some fun with TikTok. And you know what I did to get my first 1,000 views? I asked people to follow me so that I could go live, and when I had 1,000 people, I went live and shared a few tips, techniques and secrets. So it's not that hard. You know who you're talking to, you know what type of content that you're already creating, and you need to turn up and be authentic and be consistent. That is your key to success in any social media platform, but in particular TikTok. Do not, one of the biggest things that I'm seeing is people trying to make TikTok into Instagram. TikTok's not perfect, so Instagram people, you're going to have to leave that strategy over there with Instagram. TikTok is a brand new platform. People love and have fun on it. So go and have fun. Let me know what your TikTok is below your handle, and I'll come and follow you. Thanks for liking my video. You are going to like it because that's what that's for, right? Subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any future questions about TikTok.